Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox some datasheet cards for the Tyranids. We've got the back. Just have to really easily remove the foil without damaging the cards. Nice purple color here. And of course that's for the Tyranids. Now we can take out the cards quite easily. Got a lot of different ones. The big bosses here first. And some nice artwork on the other side. I think it's this way around, yeah. And some different units. Maybe here the more common soldiers. But a nice overview of what they can and abilities, unit composition and so on. That's not too shabby, so yeah. And a nice thickness to the cards, so not too thick, not too thin. This nice purple metallic color on the side. So that's really nice. And in the end we've got some army rules for the Tyranids. And we've got another unit card. Yeah, that was it for the datasheet cards for the Tyranids. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.